Bafowethu bulise kuninoke teni yakho moyele and inibuyile nenye video. So we know that today Mamelodi Sundowns is taking on the Orlando Pirates. It's the final of the MTN8. We don't know if it's going to a Glory Cup or to a Soweto, but then we'll see. So starting with the Orlando Pirates, we know that they have been on a bit of a crazy form, which have seen them going up and down. But right now they are obviously going down. So they have lost 4 games in a row. So we don't know what today brings for them. And they also got down out of the CAF competition at a very early stage, which is something that is very disturbing for them. So going into today's game, they need to have their games up. And they've also lost to Mandla Ncikazi after he got a red card on their previous game in the MTN8. So it's kind of a shaky setup for them, but we'll see what they can do. They're the Buccaneers. We can't just look down on them because they've come this far. That means that they've got the potential, they've got the ability to take this cup home. So looking on to Mamelodi Sundowns, over the past 4 games against the Orlando Pirates, they haven't conceded a single goal. Imagine. So that means that Urulani Mukwana has been doing quite a great job with the Orlando Pirates. So they've also welcomed back Umasalo Allende, who was out for 2 games. So that means that they have someone that can control them going forward and someone that can also position the back line. Well, that's if he gets to start the game, but that's something that's very likely to happen, as he is an important figure in that Mamelodi Sundowns midfield. So with all that being said, I wish good luck to both sides and may the best team take it home. And then for me, to you, it's your Jan Moya. Danko!